I'm using today is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm just going to use this in the center of my face. This is actually my first time trying this product, so hopefully it does a good job. Yesterday I did like the worst thing that you can possibly do. I picked out my entire face, which is why it's like red, and I mean it's all flat now, but it's still really red. I am icing it like 3 times a day to make the healing process go faster. But yeah, hopefully the next product will cover all this up. I picked up the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, the one that everybody's raving about. Hopefully this is my shade, but I'm so excited to try this. I don't think I've been this excited about a foundation in a long time, and it's medium to full coverage, so I'm excited. Oh, and I also picked up the Morphe Contour and Highlight Sponge. Also heard really great things about this, so I'm going to try this out today with the foundation. I guess I'm going to start off by dotting this on my face. I'm going to use the flat side of the sponge to blend it in. Oh wow. Definitely medium to full coverage. I would say it's even full coverage. Like look at that, it covered up all my redness that I had. That's crazy. It dries down kind of semi-matte. It's definitely not dewy, but it has like a really nice kind of like natural finish. Not too dewy, not too matte. It's like in between. Wow, that legit covered up all my redness and my dark spots. I love how it looks so far and how it feels in the coverage. And I actually really love this Morphe sponge as well. I really like the flat side. I feel like it packs it on really nicely. Now I'm applying the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW20. I'm also trying out a new powder today. This is the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in Light Translucent. I feel like this is perfect for baking under your eyes because it has like a flat edge. Okay, moving on to bronzer. This is a new product that is launching in March. These are bronzers from the BALM Cosmetics. They are called the Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzers. They look like this. I only have a light shade, a medium shade, and then a really dark shade. I'm not so sure if there's a bunch of other shades available, but this is the lightest one that I have, and this is the darkest one. So I'm definitely going to use the lightest one. This one is called OSKAR, and I'm going to use this to bronze today. And that's nice. It's a really nice cool tone, like medium brown color. So I really like this bronzer. I'm definitely going to use it again. For blush, I'm going to take the Pink Spectrum palette from ZOEVA. It just has 4 different colors of blushes. The one that I'm going to use is the top left color right here. Ooh. And what I'm going to do now is take the same Morphe sponge, dip it into the translucent powder, and I'm going to carve out under my contour just so it's really nice and clean. And I'm actually going to highlight last, so we're going to move on to eyes after this. And I bet you can guess what palette I'm going to use today to create the eye look. The JACLYN Hill and Morphe palette. I freaking love this palette and I use it every single day actually. It just has a bunch of amazing neutral shades, so I thought this would be perfect for today's look. So my transition color today is going to be the 3rd one from the top. I'm dusting this color into my crease and then softly blending it out. Just a really nice transition color. The reason why I did my face makeup first and then my eyes is because this eye look is so easy that you're not gonna have any fallout, so I just went ahead and did my face first. But if I'm doing something really dramatic, you guys know that I like to do my eyes first just in case fallout or anything like that. So the next shade I'm taking is this center shade right here. It's like a really nice caramel color, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing but focus this more on the outer corner of my eye. I'm kind of packing on this shade right here on the outer corner and then blending it out just to create depth in the outer corner. Same thing, you want to pack it on the outer corner and then blend it out. The next color I'm taking is this dark brown shade right here. I'm picking this color up on a flat definer brush like this, and this is going to go directly on my lash line. When I get more towards the center, I'm going to try to make a really, really thin line. But towards the outer corner right here is where I'm going to smudge it out. Don't take it too far up, just focus it on the outer corner. Taking the shade Obsessed with my flat brush, I'm going to apply this on the lid. Not all over the lid, just mainly on the inner half of my lid. I feel like this is a really gorgeous bridal color. It's like the perfect champagne color. Not too warm, not too silver. It's literally perfect. Stop texting me, I'm filming. And what I love about this look is the fact that it elongates your eyes and kind of makes them look a little bit cat eye like, which is a really flattering eye shape to me. So I really like this look. You want to go back in with the shade Mocha and deepen the outer corner just a little bit. And you guys know I love to highlight with the shade Beam from the palette. It's like my favorite color. For the lower lash line, I'm taking Central Park again on this flat brush, and I'm just gonna put this right under my waterline. Then you want to go back in and buff it out so it's not so harsh. There's a piece of hair on my brush. Blend out so it's not so harsh. This look would honestly be super pretty with just mascara and no false lashes, but you know me and I gotta do false lashes. So I'm going to take the Flutter lashes. The style of these is called Intoxicating. They are very dramatic. I mean, come on. These lashes are insane. It just takes the look to a whole other level. This is the BECCA Cosmetics Prosecco Pop Highlighter. It's very gold highlighter, but it is very, very blinding. So I am going to apply some of this. Okay, I'm gonna finish off this look with a gorgeous candy red lip. I feel like that will tie the whole look together and make it more, you know, just like flirty and Valentine's Day appropriate. But if you're not into bold lips, I would suggest doing a very glossy nude lip. I think that would look so pretty with this look as well. This is a Red Velvet liquid lipstick from Lime Crime, and it's actually my first time trying this as well. Oh yeah. Wow, that's a gorgeous color. So I went ahead and curled my hair and put on some cute dangly earrings to finish off this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love how this look came out. I think it looks really sweet and sultry and just like the perfect classic Valentine's Day makeup. If you haven't seen my other Valentine's Day tutorial, I'll leave it linked down below. It's more of a sweeter, more girlier look. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a fun Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.